According to OliverRidleyProject.org, human demand for turtle meat, eggs, skin, and shells have drastically reduced their populations. Destruction of feeding and nesting habitats and population in the oceans have all taken a massive toll on the sea turtle population. Recently, we reached out to Ms. Pilson, the Matagorda County Extension Agent.
Hello, we're the Owlbots. Would you mind sharing your name and occupation?
My name is Nicole Pilson. I'm the County Extension Agent for Coastal and Marine Resources here in Matagorda County.
We created a prototype turtle. Our goal is to help endangered species. Would you be able to tell us why they're endangered?
We're all hearing about pollution right now. We're all trying to maybe be a little bit more green and making sure our trash is being put where it should be, because otherwise it gets into our oceans. Plastic bags are really good at mimicking jellyfish when they're suspended in the water. Jellyfish are a main food item for a lot of our sea turtles.
Do you have any suggestions of what our prototype could do to help turtles?
Sea turtles, when they come onto the beach, they're looking for a place to lay their eggs. They're looking for a good spot, and they're not really thinking of beach traffic, or there might be a big hole in the sand. Sea turtles could fall into these holes, they can't get out, and unfortunately, something's gonna pick them up and eat them, or they're just gonna die. So I think something that might be really neat is if your robot could maybe fill in beach holes, right? If it could also collect those eggs in a certain manner and remove beach trash. That's always a big thing too.
Can you give us some information about sea turtles that a lot of people don't know but should be common knowledge?
The eggs are really sensitive. If you were to see a sea turtle entangled in some fishing line, or maybe it's stranded on the beach and it's not moving, it doesn't look good, don't try and help it. If something doesn't look right to you with a sea turtle, or you come across a nest, don't do anything but call.
Hello, this is Squirt, short for Squirtle. So the first element I'm going to be talking about is the tail. So this can be used to cover up eggs if they have been uncovered by pedestrians. This is our touch LED to show its findings. So for example, if it sensed litter, it would show up as red, and if it sensed an egg, then it would show up as green. It also has a vision sensor to differentiate coastal elements. It has a distance sensor, so it can sense distance. It has a light sensor, which can also work as a flashlight during the night. We also have a gyro underneath the brain, so it can know its orientation.
Conservation of the turtle eggs is really important for keeping the sea turtle species alive. Whenever a robot finds an egg, it goes and it shows the sea turtle hotline. So whenever someone finds the robot, they can see the number to call, and they can call the sea turtle hotline and try to bring someone over. Sea turtles often confuse their favorite snack, jellyfish, with plastic bags that's left in the water. So we made this code so that whenever it sees a plastic bag, our prototype will go and pick it up. We have a passive manipulator, which is, for now, it's a magnet. Oftentimes in the ocean, as the lower you get, the darker it gets. So our robot, whenever the lights go off and it's hard to see, our robot turns on its light sensor in the touch LED so that it can see. Then whenever the lights turn back on, or there's more light, they turn off.
As time passes, sea turtles are getting more and more endangered.
In our studies, we found out that 1 in 1,000 hatchling turtles survive, and that approximately 42,000 turtles die each year.
A recent study has shown that up to 5.6% of leatherback turtles don't survive the next year.
About more than 1,000 turtles are dying to plastic in the ocean, and we're saving the world one turtle at a time.